This is one of those projects where I wasn't sure if I was going to continue it or not. It ended up being a little more challenging than I had previously thought. The wood I chose was a hardwood, and it was a little bit harder to carve than I was anticipating, and I didn't have the proper tools. But I continued on with it and just pushed through it. Didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it, but it still turned out okay.
I was going to use a 2x4, but then I realized the 2x4 was probably going to be a little bit too small. I think it would look cool as a canoe. I might try to make a canoe out of the 2x4 one of these times. I chose a 2x6. I cut it about 12 inches long. Another person suggested a 4x4, which I thought might work. I used a drill and drilled some holes, hoping that this would help me carve out the center well, and it didn't turn out too well. But hey, it floats. And I'm kind of wondering if I should maybe get some Flex Seal or something and paint it with Flex Seal, or just leave it as kind of a rustic dugout boat. I think next time, and yeah, there'll be a next time, I'm going to choose a softer wood to work with. This wood, I think, is either oak or something, because it was hard to carve. Very hard to carve by hand. I ended up getting a set of chisels, and that seemed to work much better. But a lot of my projects I learn as I go, so I learned a lot from this project, and I plan to do more of these type of boats, because I think they're pretty cool. Or some of the holes that I drilled in it ended up going a little deeper than I anticipated. And you can see how rough it turned out. But maybe if I fill it with something, maybe wood putty or super glue and baking soda, and then cover it with Flex Seal. So I'd love to hear your suggestions. What do you think? Should I cover it with something like Flex Seal or a plastic dip or something?
You have to let me know what you think of the dugout boat idea. I think it's pretty cool. I might revisit this when I get softer wood to use, because I think a softer wood would work better. And maybe even coating it with like a Flex Seal. Coating it with like a Flex Seal or something would be cool. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments section. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, dropping a comment. All that stuff really helps my channel grow. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.